Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Asian equities decline amid US losses and continuing holiday in Japan. http ntvforex.com News ID 0E1C54 7/24/2026 54:28 am. Asia Market Update. Asian equities decline amid US losses and continuing holiday in Japan. Shanghai dropped over 2% ahead of China's confirmation of countermeasure, unclear if CN will leave Houston consulate. General trend. Shanghai Composite declined by over 2% during morning trading. Consumer and IT costs were among the decliners. Mutai dropped over 3%. Shanghai market continued to drop in early afternoon trading. Large cap tech names drop in HK after Nasdaq decline. PetroChina rises after confirming transactions with China's National Pipeline Co. Decliners in Australia include financial, consumer, and energy costs. Aussie insurer IAG declines by over 6%, guided 5 profits lower YY and confirmed it would not pay a final dividend. Intel declines over 10% in after-hours trading, guided Q3 EPS below estimates, delayed launch of 7nm product. Taiwan Semi rises by over 3%. USD JPY extends recent decline amid disappointing US initial jobless claims. Japanese holiday equities trade weaker. Companies expected to report during the New York morning include American Express, Honeywell, Schlumberger, Verizon. Headlines. Economic data. Australia, New Zealand. ASX 200 opened 0.6%. Australia July preliminary CBA PMI manufacturing 53.4 v 51.2 prior second straight expansion or reading above 50. PMI services 58.5 v 53.1 prior highest since survey started in May 2016, second straight expansion. Australia June prelim merchandise exports 8.0% v 4.0% prior imports 6.0% v 6.0% prior exports supported by strong iron ore shipments. Fitch Australia post-crisis debt trajectory is the key to its sovereign rating outlook. NZ New Zealand June trade balance NZ dollar 426 mv NZ dollar 450 me. NZ New Zealand Treasury Q2 household spending better than expected. NZ New Zealand Minister Dairy Industry legislation has been amended, Fonterra will be able to reject milk supply. NZ Reserve Bank of New Zealand RBNZ buys NZ dollar 230 mv NZ dollar 320 m prior in government bonds as part of QEV NZ dollar 230 m sought. NZ Reserve Bank of New Zealand RBNZ will seek to purchase NZ dollar 940 mv NZ dollar 940 m prior in government bonds next week. China Hong Kong. Hang Seng opened 0.9%, Shanghai Composite 0.4%. CN China Foreign Ministry confirms it will ask the US to close Chengdu China consulate. US financial press as speculated. CN China President XI China should boost domestic automobile brands. CN China Commerce Ministry MOFCOM have market-based managed floating currency mechanism with reference to a basket of currencies from July 23. CN head of China consulate in Houston Cai Wei said will not commit to closing the office, said the Houston consulate to remain open until further notice. US press update. US State Department has demanded that the office be closed by Friday. US Seconds of State Pompeo not speculating if China will not leave consulate in Houston. China President Xi has clearly taken actions that are aggressive. US press Trump-China trade deal means less to me now than it did. CN China Bok open market operation OMO skips reverse repos v injects 50 billion Chinese yuan in 7-day reverse repos prior net drain 200 billion Chinese yuan v net drain 0 billion Chinese yuan prior. CN China PBOC sets yuan reference rate 6.9938 v 6.9921 prior. Japan. Nikkei 225 closed for holiday. Korea. Kospi opened 0.9%. KR South Korea reported to be confirming GT100 coronavirus cases on Saturday, July 25. Press. KR US to charge anti-dumping duties equal to 52% on South Korea PET plastic sheets. The move relates to products made by firms including SK Chemical Yonhap, Other Asia. ID Indonesia Finance Ministry Central Bank may begin to buy bonds under IDR 397.6T deficit financing scheme. SG Singapore June industrial production 0.2% v 5.5% EYY 6.7% v 2.6% E. North America. U.S. Treasury Secretary Nook and White House and Senate GOP have fundamental agreement on new coronavirus stimulus bill. U.S. reportedly Press Trump has dropped a plan to eliminate government drug rebates, still set to announce executive orders on Friday aimed at lower drug prices. Politico expected to occur at 15:00 EST. U.S. Semi-June North America-based manufacturers of semi-equipment billings $2.32 billion, 1.1% and 14.4% YY. Europe. UK July preliminary GfK consumer confidence 27 v 27 prior levels as of 1:20 ET. Nikkei 225, closed, ASX 201.2%, Hang Seng 2.4%, Shanghai Composite 2.8%, Kospi 0.6%. Equity SAMP P500 futures 0.3%, Nasdaq 100 0.5%. DAX 0.5%, FTSE 100 1.1%, 1.1620 euros, 1.1592 Japanese yen, 106.90, 106 Australian dollars and 36 cents, 0.7125, 0.7078 NZD, 0.6655, 0.6618. Gold 0.2% at $1,886 ounce, crude oil 0.3% at $41.20 BRL, copper 1.2% at $2.8868 lb. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.